show you guys how to do this real quick, or just like skinning a cat. There's a shitload of ways to skin a cat, a lot of ways to clean a squirrel too. Gonna show you guys here just how I clean a squirrel. Like I say, a lot of ways to do it, but this is how I've always done it, or been doing it this way for a long time. So what we'll do here is first take this guy. I like to just get rid of these about down in his knuckle on these arms. Get you a good sharp knife, and this makes things a lot easier. Get rid of them feet, them hands I mean. And the key here, you're going to take the tail, lift up the tail, and you're going to make a little cut just right above his butt. You don't want to cut the tail, but you're going to cut just right above it. I'm going to get through that actual tailbone. So that kind of loosens things up there. Just going to work your way up just a tad bit there. What you're wanting there is just kind of like a flap. Hopefully you guys can see that, kind of dark out here. Get you a flap there, and you're just going to grab the inside of that flap, grab the back legs, and then you just pull him, take his jacket right off. You want to make sure and get your hair off of your opposing hand there. And then I just like to reach in right behind his shoulders here, grab a hold of those arms, pull the arm out, pull this other arm out. Got both arms free. You can take that all the way off if you want, but it's just as easy to cut the head off. We don't need the head for anything. So cut right through that, throw that in the scrap pile, and you're just going to work this down. Peel that jacket off. Comes right off, and there it is. A lot of people don't like messing with a game just because it takes a while, but I kind of walk through that and talk through it. Did that in what, probably a minute and a half, something like that. Then you just take the guts out just like normal. Throw it in the batch with the rest of them, and have you a good old mess of squirrel one evening. We'll clean up this other one, get it thrown in with the others, and make sure and stay tuned for more. Happy hunting. Be safe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.